Wagwan, K&J clan. How this?
People, are you ready?
Oh!
Oh, Lord.
Hi! What are dealing people? Top of the morning too, you know. Right now. And can make a stroll aside.
Give me camera.
You might fall your shot, brother.
Sure.
If you set it at B angles for catch you.
But now if you said no. Yes guys, what's up? I go over my father, go look for him. A long time I look for him.
Yeah, so we are go over the studio, you see me? Remember from when we promised so we are go over the studio? We now voice some song to the studio, so I'll go over there.
You never advised something in the first place.
Chop it up with steel beat and you see me? Yes, brother.
Alright.
Can't say she have a jerk chicken and sitting over there, so.
Yes. I'm making to go and listen to some of my rhythm demo in my bill and so forth and so forth and so forth.
Yes, it.
So, I don't know anything go. I go to the road so we catch a bus.
Yeah, I remember, you know, when you're new to the thing, like, comment, subscribe, share. Make you know, say.
And I like the video.
And I like the video,
yeah, and I like the content.
Impact, you know, life.
In any way.
Negatively, positively. Make you know.
Yeah,
you
make
see me?
Make them cry, make them be like, right?
How them two eat them and
yeah.
them? You see me?
So now for me, we know.
What is what?
Yeah. I know, so sometimes when I watch on the TV or so, they try take up the whole screen and can't remember for light, but you have to remember for light. See?
Light.
Yeah, so when we reach somewhere again, I don't know where.
Yeah,
clock
when we
in
get
again.
a bus, we just check in back.
See, bus
You see me?
on there.
On 12 dash.
Oh, alright.
You see it? So, when you know the thing go.
Yes, guys, so we reach now. Yeah, on the ends.
You like it?
You know, daddy bye bye. Daddy not getting a dog. Daddy! What's some load that extra? Heather!
Everybody hood!
What happened? Guys, I'm showing him for a goat.
What's the name?
It looks so. My ear midnight a while ago. I don't see him. Goat not in there. Guys, no goat not in there, so you know what that means.
Yeah.
Well, going, daddy. To the general there. There. Yes, so the studio me tell you about me going to feature. Genius at work. Hey.
Well, Heather.
I thought you was going to try to. You lost a lot of weight.
You look for that, man. Since we can't look like me, I lose weight.
Yeah, you do.
And we are the
You
whole
look
bunch.
nicer. You lose weight?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? All I suffer from is headaches. And stress. Yeah. Morning guys, what's up? Some there I do some heap of different things. Me I pack up, me I wash, me I paint, me I do all type of things. So yeah, me I paint. Yeah. I have one little table with the black with the strip off and stuff. You know them little I don't know what you call them, but normally back in the days like my grandparents and stuff used to use them put flower spot in them. So me use it now, find it, and me take it. How do I find it? Long time find out a road, and me say no, so this nice can use, so me take it and me use it for rest junior game fun. So couple years now I have it now, so finally I get a facelift, so me I paint it to give it a little facelift. See that? Try with it, that's it. I try to put little color in it, but Junior said it now work. We try it, never work with you. So I'm finish showing the finished product. You know what the hell now? A big problem now, if you turn it over, I forget to paint the top. Mistake. Don't jump up on me, don't jump. I sure know how far she jump. She wild. Alright, done. Done. Stop. 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 Sit. Wait. Come on. I'm tired. Julian, I bought you my beard. I'm going to pass and trouble you. We're going to come out by time. Junior! What do you think, man? So, as we said, yesterday was just a bummer. It was just a big bummer. Because we didn't expect, I never saw the day end up turn out, because I expect to visit my father, and as me that telling us, say that I have a little one. Have a little cook out and just that they enjoy the whole day, make him go and make him redeem them and stuff and just bring them along with it. But it never end up work out that way, because I have enough leave quickly. So as I go, I have enough left. So the whole plan when I did have, I forgot put off that for another day. So but if I go over there today, but I have a whole heap of stuff that I want to get done today for move soon, hopefully by the weekend. So you know, so I have to put stuff together and I try start out all of that. Most of the stuff them pack up already still. I just like the big stuff them alone. And you know, big stuff are like your bed, your fridge, your stove, stuff, big stuff like them there can't pack up. So them they have to go leave. But when I plan, what I want to do for make it kind of a bit easier, I have to move all of the big stuff them, and majority of the small stuff them I have to go pan the big stuff them, like your whatnot and stuff like that. So, you know, picture frames and stuff like them, they go pan them, the dresser and stuff. So I want to move around the big stuff them first, right? See everything empty, that's true, and just but my plan say I want to move around first the big stuff them, set up the big stuff them how I want them, right? Some of them just set them up, set up the table them, the whatnot them, and stuff where you want in the bedroom and things like that. And then now we can move around the little stuff them little before we just finish move. But someone tell him I want to do it. So move around the little stuff them. No, and then we unbox them and put them where them for go. So it's easier. It's gonna be all on me. Me one. I got enough of your hand. I mean you wanna enough pack? I mean you wanna go enough unpack. You know help me. Good morning, sir. Then come tell the people good morning. Let me catch you the element this morning.
Morning, people.
You see him head? I even black it up in him?
Yeah, man, we need this on the granite last night.
Same one, him here look like mine. So, I done my whole plan going forward. Move on the big stuff them, then we move the smaller stuff them. Go around, then unpack the little stuff them, pan the big stuff them, and then like the other little stuff them now, them they can move in last. So, I think that's something I could do it so it's a bit easier for me. What do you think? So like it makes sense? I don't do well with paints and brushes. I do well with spray paint, flowers, and foam. So, but I don't know, the thing look not professional already. So, I'm sure I'm here. So it's going to take forever to dry. Hey, look better than it looked before. It's better than it did before. So I'm going to put cement in it. Junior do yard work. I'm going to put cement in it. I make the cement set and then I put paint on the top of it and glitter. So this now I use and make my arch. No, it dirty, but I normally just wrap it differently. We wrap it with tool or whatever, but yeah. That's the first one. Second one. Second one will come out like the other one, but it is what it is.
Yeah, peeps, so we're there going to do a thing.
We?
Yeah. Kian says she want paint.
And Junior watch read football.
Yeah, we're there on Twitter going to read about football because that's my thing that is it. That's my sport. Kian sport of paint.
You say, guys, last night Junior make some jerk chicken. The jerk chicken pepper.
But
it was so pepper this morning and feel the result I pepper.
Yeah, I never know say a spicy one. I never even remember say them have spicy and them have mild to rot it. A spicy so, one, me get bread in it.
Me.
But I open jerk chicken we going up.
Oh, man, nice man. Chicken. When you want pizza breast, them just sandwich it between two bread.
Yeah man, tough man.
Guys, you know, we never reach a bathroom yet to feel the pepper. It did hot the first time going in.
Send me to the bathroom, virgin, but I don't regret the food. The food nice. Yo, the Wi-Fi are going to be a thing, you know. It's the Wi-Fi disconnected little while. Anyway, still people there are going 1-3, can't do fair thing, I do my thing. The hard part of the work not started. We are what?
Like, comment, subscribe and share.
Oh, you think of me, I chat back on me. Hard part not started, don't know when. We're going to try to catch as much. We're going to try to catch as much. Footage. Let me keep my eye right there so we can see everything we share. We're going to try to catch as much. What we can catch. We can see it, you know.
Me I scratch my face.
Oh, really? Oh, you know, it's a nail.
No,
you know, I scratch it over. New way of scratch.
Like.
Anyway, when we are move and thing, when we are lift up the heavy load, because you should ball, oh, me do it, you know? Fear expression in there, you know. We can't really sound like her. You try to look like her. You see me? So when we are do the heavy lifting, when me and Mexican I do the lifting and put in a chuck and then take out of the chuck and that's how the work starts. So me not kill up myself and pack up nothing.
That is all you go
oh, I pack up and me have to hand pack.
Me have to pack
that
up,
me easy thing.
Me have to move the stuff them where they can get them to put
that
them in the truck.
easy thing, a quick thing that how was it ever take me and Mexican to put them thing in the truck and then how was we take them out when we reach where we go.
Hours it's going to take him and Mexican and that's too smart, you know, to put and take them out of the truck. That take hours to put in and hours to take out.
Remember say me,
take me to fix them up.
People remember say I'm me have to drive the truck.
Me can drive the truck too?
And me have to drive the truck and a far way I go.
Listen, it no matter.
Far.
It no matter. It no matter.
How was I driving? You see me?
That's not nothing.
Dun.
You see it done?
Don't do that, people. Later. Paint up on the flipping something there.
What we paint up?
I see paint up. You paint up the damn.
The tripod? I have one thing there. I have thinner. I can use thinner and wipe it off. So yes, people. It's not going to be a long video, as I always say. Always I say video them not long and then them enough long in it. But yeah, as I tell you already, I'm glad. So we'll find somewhere and finally I go move. Finally I go just move, get all of this thing out of the way, settle down, and then we can start back where we did plan to do. Oh, I have to wait for the vehicle first. Every time them tell me next 2 weeks, when the next 2 weeks come, next 2 weeks, so still a wait. So as soon as me get that, and me know say me good enough and can jump up on the road, and you know just go up on the road, go up on some adventures and stuff like that, and you don't know the thing already. Link up with Chrissy from Life with Chrissy and Riri, and we done plan out already, so we are going to touch the road and go on with a bag of madness. So I don't know that guy already saying I can come with me too, so I can go out with madness too. So I don't know the thing already, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Leave in the comments down below when I like, when I like, when I would like to see what we do. I don't know the thing, go. Share the love. But if you share the video, just continue to share the love, guys. We soon reach 500 subscribers. I'm at 414. The thing I go on, not sure. Yeah, man, thing I go on. As I say, when we reach 500, I buy one champagne, we'll pop it, and I share it with them, and we just enjoy the day. So I don't know the thing, they make it reach this. So enough love. I go back outside. I have some teddy bears and I wash in my machine, and I get the put out to get some sun and just see what the day take me, so what else I have to do separate from packing up and stuff like that, right? So I'm supposed to maybe go up on the road. I don't know what this out. I don't know. Go up on the road and try go get some stuff started out of the new place and thing. But as I say, let me see it go, right? So remember, guys, continue to show no support. Remember to like the video, them comment, so YouTube know say when you like the video, so they will know if you do it, get the thing go. So continue to do the thing, them guys. My love and appreciate them so much. I shouldn't even know. No, Junior appreciating it too. So I want to continue to big up on yourself. Remember to go over live with Chrissy and Riri and show her some support. Make sure you know say I can't just send you guys to go over there to subscribe to our channel, please. Yeah, because when we just start YouTube, she was the only person. She and another lady, I don't remember her name right now, but it was the only person who, if you ask them a question, they would answer you. And not feel like say you ask them something about YouTube and them now and tell you like it's this big secret. But she was the only person who did that there and help me. So we are still friends up until this day. I talk to her, she talk to me. Every day she texts me and message me and things. So when you go over our channel, Life with Chrissy and Riri, and just show her some support. Show her some support. Chrissy, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. You see it? Yeah. Sheena, you big up yourself for me. Here, say, you talk about me at work. I'm like that, man. Go and big up yourself here. Alright.